Discover the perfect blend of style and practicality with the Sunwings Fish Scale Peel and Stick Backsplash tile. In a captivating green hue, this set of 10 self-adhesive tiles offers a modern and eco-friendly solution for your home's walls. Crafted from high-quality stone composite material, these tiles ensure durability and safety, resisting heat, water, and humidity. Installation is hassle-free. Just peel, stick, and enjoy a refreshed look without any need for grout or special tools. Versatile in application, these tiles bring elegance to kitchens, bathrooms, and beyond. Transform your space effortlessly with Sunwings today. Link in description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Looking to transform your kitchen in minutes? Introducing the Green Peel and Stick Backsplash tile by Taiwoos. These 12 by 12-inch vinyl tiles are lightweight, making installation a breeze. No messy glue needed, just peel and stick. Coated with a glossy epoxy finish, these tiles offer a sleek, retro style with a smooth touch. Perfect for individuals preferring DIY projects, they lessen the risk of tiles falling due to their lighter design. However, be mindful, lighting may alter the appearance slightly. Should you face any issues, Taiwoos offers exceptional support. Elevate your kitchen's aesthetics easily and affordably today. Link in description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Discover the perfect way to revamp your kitchen effortlessly with Midcard's Peel and Stick Backsplash PVC wall tiles. These tiles, in a striking rectangular dark brown, offer a modern, glossy finish that's both stylish and functional. Made from durable PVC, they are easy to install. Just peel and stick for an instant transformation. Customers rave about the ease of application and how these tiles mimic the look of real stone, providing a cost-effective yet elegant solution for any modern home. With Midcard, breathe new life into your space and enjoy a fresh, sophisticated look that's impressively low maintenance. Link in description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Dive into the world of stylish home decor with Art3D's Jade Green Peel and Stick Backsplash tiles. Designed for simplicity, these self-adhesive vinyl tiles transform any room with a touch of modern elegance. Boasting a rich, 3D textured surface, they mimic the appearance of real brick effortlessly. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or even in an RV, their waterproof feature makes them perfect for high moisture areas. Installation is a breeze. Just peel, stick, and watch your space come alive. Versatile and easy to maintain, they offer a budget-friendly solution without sacrificing style. Elevate your interiors the easy and affordable way. Link in description and comment box. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Looking to transform your kitchen walls effortlessly? Discover the DecoTalk Subway Tile Backsplash. These peel and stick wonders are designed for ease and impact. Measuring 12 by 12 inches, each set includes 15 pieces, covering approximately 14.53 square feet, perfect for kitchens or bathrooms. Made from durable PVC, they're not just a pretty face, they're waterproof and oil-proof, ensuring long-lasting beauty and easy cleaning. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel and stick, no grout required. Ideal for both renters and homeowners, these vibrant blue tiles provide a glossy, modern finish. Transform your space hassle-free with DecoTalk. Link in description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.